This is the Coleman Campstove model 4M. It's a 1958 model. Purchased it for $5 from an old couple online, and I restored it. It was in pretty bad shape and took about 3 hours to get it going. I realized there was problems with the pumps and with the seals on the filler cap. So I fixed the pump and the filler cap seal, and it works. I had to repaint it with a high heat temperature paint. I couldn't find anything close to the original green, so I had to go with red. I bought it at Canadian Tire. It's normally used for engine parts and things like that, so it's very durable. Made some stickers by printing them online and then covering them with clear tape, and then I just glued them on. Smokey the Bear, there's a Coleman, a couple of flammable stickers on the back as well. And there you go. $5. Works great.